Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to pin apps for privacy on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's just say, for example, you want to give this phone to someone. However, you only want them to stay on this particular app called TikTok. So in order to do this, you need to use the pin app option on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So when you pin an app, it locks the phone to a specific app window. So the user cannot exit that app unless the phone is unlocked again. So it creates a restricted mode that prevents people from accessing anything outside the pinned app. So let me show you how to turn this feature on and how to use it. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find security and privacy. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find more security settings. Now here, scroll down and find this option, allowed apps to be pinned. Make sure you turn this feature on. So app pinning will let you keep just one app on the screen until you unpin it. So for example, you can pin a game app to let a friend play only that game. When the app is pinned, the pinned app may open other apps. Personal data may be accessible. So go ahead and turn this feature on and make sure this feature is turned on as lock phone after unpinning. So you want to go ahead and press home and then go ahead and open up the app. Next, go ahead and tap on the task manager. From here, go ahead and tap on the app. So for example, TikTok. And then go ahead and tap on pin this app. So now, as you can see, the app is pinned. So to unpin it, you need to touch and hold the recent and the back button at the same time to unpin it. So now this person can go ahead and browse through these TikTok videos. However, he or she cannot press home, cannot press back, or cannot press the task manager. So he or she will not be able to go to any other apps. In order for that person to switch apps, you need to go ahead and press the task manager and the back button together. However, this will then go ahead and open up the lock screen. And in order to continue or unlock this phone, he or she requires a PIN number or a fingerprint authentication, which he doesn't have. So then he or she has to give this phone back to you in order to unlock it. So this is perfect when letting kids watch video or when a friend needs to use your calculator, dialer, or maybe a TikTok app. You stay in control and your messages, photos, and private content stays protected. So there you go, guys. That is how to pin apps for privacy on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.